Hey guys, I suspect ChatGPT can drastically change business-to-business professional sales. So I asked ChatGPT about the impact it might have, and these are the answers. There are a few ways that ChatGPT, short for Generative Pre-training Transformer, could potentially be used to change business-to-business professional sales. 1. Automating routine tasks. ChatGPT could potentially be used to automate routine tasks in the sales process, such as responding to frequently asked questions or sending follow-up emails. This could free up sales professionals to focus on more high-value activities such as building relationships with clients and closing deals. 2. Personalizing communication. ChatGPT could be used to personalize communication with clients by generating customized responses based on the specific needs and interests of each client. This could help sales professionals to build stronger relationships and create a more personalized customer experience. 3. Providing real-time assistance. ChatGPT could be used to provide real-time assistance to sales professionals during sales calls or meetings. For example, if a client asks a question that the sales professional is not familiar with, ChatGPT could generate a response based on the context of the conversation. Overall, ChatGPT has the potential to streamline and enhance the business-to-business sales process by automating routine tasks, personalizing communication, and providing real-time assistance to sales professionals. So, what is your opinion? Will we witness a revolution or just an evolution of professional sales? Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, as it is still run by me and not by artificial intelligence. Bye.